No, I was just saying, like during these times, I'm myself attending many webinars, and I enjoy the ones that not only do I get value from, but I can actually go to the drawing board and take it and implement. So that's the biggest thing. Whenever I do these, I want to not only educate, but I want to give, so you guys can actually execute. So of course, we do these things for our clients to take it off their plate, so they don't have to. But if you have the time or someone on staff to do these strategies, it's so important that you at least dip your toe in and you do some of these things that you're going to learn today, if you aren't already. Um, but yeah, the biggest thing that you guys need to understand, especially right now, this is a quote from Tuvi at Facebook. The growth of their platform, as well as Instagram, Facebook owns Instagram, over the past few weeks, even months, the usage has been unprecedented. People are consuming content on social media now more than ever. If you weren't a believer in content marketing before, pre-pandemic, you better be now. This is only going to continue, and now this needs to be a pillar in your business. You need to be creating, you know,
I like some of the faces we catch them in. Probably we lost you.
can you hear me?
Oh, oh yeah, we got you now.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Did you catch any of that?
We caught that this is an unprecedented time for Facebook and Instagram, and if you didn't believe in content marketing, you should believe in it now.
Okay, got the beginning only. Man, okay. I'm not sure what's going on. If you guys, if that happens again, just let me know, okay? And I can pick back up. But no, I was saying right now it's super important that you guys are creating content because people are consuming it more than ever. It's important to create unique custom content that educates, informs, or entertains, right? So with your target market, you need to create content that provides value. People are on social media now more than ever, especially during these times. So now it's very important that you guys take these efforts and take it seriously and start implementing these things into your weekly and monthly strategies.